Namaste Pure Divine Souls, welcome to Pure Mindfulness. In this video, I will tell you how to be happy. Just one simple thought, one simple habit can change your destiny. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. I will explain you step by step how it works. Happiness, peace of mind, everyone wants in our lives. Is it possible? Yes. Happiness is a lifestyle. It's a choice. If you truly want to be happy, universe will help you. We don't know what gives us happiness. We think our gadgets, our money give us happiness. Money and our gadgets like phones, computers, camera, these are give us just comfort and pleasure. That is not happiness. In fact, we don't know what is happiness. We just have memories, some good memories, some bad memories. How is it possible when we are not able to understand what is happiness? How it is possible to be happy? There is one way. The God and the universe know what gives us truly happiness. That's why always be happy. I will tell you in detail. When you are wake up, just do one thing. See your face in a mirror and tell you. For example, I see my face in a mirror and tell you, Uma Krishnaveni, I love you. Uma Krishnaveni, I am happy. And give one small smile. I am happy. Today is happiest day in my life. Just one thing. And throughout the day, whenever you get the free time, just say it yourself, I am happy, and give smile, I am happy. This one thing, one change your life. In this time you are struggling so many problems, health problems, financial problems, relationship problems, personal problems, whatever problems you are facing right now, that is not matter. You are facing a problem in long ago. For example, you are facing a problem 10 years, that is not problem. That problem also solved in simple and positive way. The God and universe can do anything for you. If you truly believe the God, if you truly believe the universe, the law of attraction, the God give you the results, positive results, happy results. You only do one thing daily. It takes just 1 minute. For example, in myself, Uma Krishnaveni, I am happy. Just one smile. Try it. just for 21 days daily. How many times you can possible to do, just do it. After 21 days, definitely your life will change for your highest good. If you are struggling in a relationship, your relationship will give you happiness. If you are struggling with your job, you are happy with your job, or you get your dream job, peace of life, happiness, health. So many scriptures, for example Bible, you ask, God gives you. Bible also said that. And Hinduism, so many religions tell us, you believe, you truly want, that will get you. You will get that. If you are truly want happiness, don't think overly. Just ask, I am happy. Okay? Just sit down. Wherever you are right now, just sit down or just close your eyes and repeat with me, I am happy. I am happy. And smile. Full smile. If you are not ready to smile, just try it. You can do it. Happiness give you the strength. Just smile. This one thing can change your whole life. This is very simple, but this is very powerful. Don't trust my words. Just try it for 21 days. After 21 days, your life will change for your highest good. This is very powerful affirmations. Throughout the day, we are always said, I am not worth it. This is not gonna happen. I always financial problems. I am tired. I am lazy. I am not worthy. These are the negative affirmations. Negative affirmations give us negative results in our life. That's why we need to change our words. We need to change our thoughts. We need to change our actions. When we are change our thoughts, words, actions, automatically our life will change for our highest good. This is the law of attraction. If you want to truly happy with yourself, if you want to truly be happy, and if you want to truly understand yourself, live mindfully, live peacefully, this is the one way. The very simplest and easiest, very, very powerful way. Just try it. Try now. I am happy. And give one smile. I am happy. I am happy. See in your eyes. Said to you. I said myself, I am happy. I am happy. You don't need to see in a mirror. Just said yourself, I am happy. The universe do the rest of the work. If you want to be happy, just do it. I am happy and smile. I am happy and smile. Trust it. Universe help me. The God help me. Don't think how is it possible? I have so many financial problems. I have so many issues in my relationship. I have so many health issues. This is not your work. your work is I am happy, and give some beautiful smile in your face. That's all. The rest of the work universe will do. The God will do. Your work is I am happy. Said to yourself and smile. That's it. Smile is a best makeup for everyone. Just smile it. This is the very, very powerful way. Don't stress. Just relax. Life is easy. We create complications in our life. No need to create complications. Just smile it and observe your breathing. Whenever you are sad or depressed, whenever you are listening any bad words someone said about you, just smile. This is very tough. That bad situations, smiling is very tough. But once you tried, your pain just disappeared in just minutes. Whenever you feel sad, whenever you feel depressed, whenever you feel lonely, just smile. I am happy. This is very powerful affirmation. Just said yourself, I am happy. If you are not comfortable with yourself, see in the mirror and said, I am happy. Repeat 10 times. After 11th time, you feel light. You lost some tension, anxiety in your mind. And you can also see the results. What can I do next? You can get the answers in your problems. Just do one thing. I am happy. I am happy. This is very good affirmation. It will change your life in just 4 weeks. Try this. Try right now. Just relax and sit in a comfortable place and said to yourself, I am happy, and smile. Universe give the results. Universe solve your financial problems. Universe solve your relationship problems. Universe solve your health issues. Universe solves your career struggles. Universe and God solve your problems and help you to be happy. Universe and God always wants to you happy, but we are not happy. I hope you are trying this affirmation and it will help you. Thank you for watching. Namaste.